Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive. Stock number B98868A. 75,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black in color. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Rear seats recline as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. With additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Laredo has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. The driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Dual zone temperature control. 5-speed automatic transmission with electronic range select. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.